Okay, here we are. We're testing the Open Ocean Buddy Finder. No, Open Ocean Buddy Locator. Right now it's there on. I don't know if you can see the red light is pointing towards north. The blue is supposed to be where the other finder is. Then I'm gonna have my kids over there as soon as they come here. They're gonna take one box around, and I'm gonna take the other box around the soccer field, and we'll see if the blue lights point towards each other. I'm just gonna start walking. Okay, they don't quite line up automatically when you're too close, but as you can see, the blue light is pointing. Where is it? That way? It's going. Okay, so I sent my kids off to grab the other box. They're gonna wait till I hit the corner of the field, and the blue light should still point to them. Blue light. Yep, still pointing behind me. I should do this. Blue light still pointing towards them. Okay. Walk. Can't see. Let's see. Oop. Kind of shows it. Light towards them. Okay, keep walking. One more time looking. That's them there. Hard to see, but the north, kind of like due north, so it's a different light. It's like a purplish light. Just keep walking. Okay, now as long as they listen to my instructions, they should start. I gotta wave them down. Okay, they're moving. As you can see, the blue dot, it is following them wherever they went. I can't see them on my camera. They're there. So I'm not sure if you can see the OLED. It says they're about 30 degrees, 65 meters away. I think that's about it. Okay, I'll keep walking. So far so good. Let's turn around. Blue light. Okay, well, that one's off. Where are they? This one's a little off. I think it's because of the resolution. There's only 16 pixels, so it kind of has to take a wide angle, I guess. And there's something going on with my kids there. Looks like they're having some miscommunication. One's running off. Okay, now it's more into alignment. Okay, I'm going to keep walking. End up where we started. And the blue should follow where they are. And we need to get off the field before, I guess, the soccer game starts. It looks like we have a breakdown in attention span there, as it looks like they're cutting across the field to come back. But I think this kind of proves that, at least in an open field, this project works. Thank you for watching. Okay, continue on in the video. They had a little meltdown. I guess can't really trust kids with helping out with projects. But I had my daughter go out that far away. I don't know how far that is, whatever a cross soccer field is. And I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but it says 104 meters. And she keeps walking away. So this is kind of like a distance test. So if you're in the water, you gotta imagine all this grass field is water. And you're going to be kind of level down here. Imagine trying to find your friend's flag. It's going to be a little bit difficult. So hopefully that's what this project will help you with, helping you find your friend. And this, yeah, it's pointing towards her. All right, thank you.